Okay, this is our coffee and spice grinder. It's got a powerful 130 watt motor. It's got a large 70 gram capacity, and it's also got an auto cut-off switch for safety, so if you overheat it, it'll just turn off. And it's ideal for grinding nuts, coffee beans, spices. Today we're going to do sunflower kernels, just to give you an idea. So just don't overload it. If you've got scales, measure it. You just put them in, put the lid on, and then you just push the little black button. And then just check it to see. So that needs a bit more grinding because I want it a bit finer. And just pulse it. And there you've got your sunflower kernels all ground.